Hi everyone, as a frequent user of this tool, I can attest to its excellent performance and value. Its powerful motor and multiple speed settings enable me to tackle a wide range of drilling and driving tasks with ease. And, thanks to its comfortable grip and lightweight design, I can use this tool for extended periods of time without experiencing hand fatigue. This tool has the power and precision to get the job done right, whether I'm working on a simple home repair or a more complex DIY project like building my camper van from the ground up. It is equipped with a long-lasting battery that provides enough power for prolonged use. And thanks to its quick charging time, I can get back to work quickly. With its impressive performance, versatility, and great price, it's an excellent choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Thanks for watching.